The course navigation feature on fēnix 5X enables you to navigate to a customized set of destinations or point of interests, so you can go wherever you want. This video is going to show you how to use the course navigation feature on fēnix 5X. First, from the watch face, press the top right key. Select to navigate. Select Courses. Select Create New. Enter the course name and select checkmark to confirm. If you pair your watch with a smartphone, you can type the name from the phone. Select Add Location. You can select from these 4 options to add location. Add your current location to the course. Add your saved location to the course. Open the map and select a customized location. Hold the top right key to set as a course location. If your installed map includes POI information, you can select POIs as course locations. Select a category. A POI list around your current area will be shown on the device. If the POI you are looking for is not around your current area, then select Search Near. Select a saved location or open the map to select a location. The device will search for POIs around the area you selected. You can search for POI by name as well. Select Spell Search. Enter the name of POI. If you pair your watch with a smartphone, you can type the name from the phone. Select the checkmark to confirm. And the list showing the search result around your current area will be shown on the device. Press the top right key to add course location. After you added all locations, if needed, you can reorder the locations as well. To save the course, select Done. Select Do Course. Navigation information will appear on screen. Then press the top right key to start navigating. That was all about the fēnix 5X course navigation feature. Thanks for watching.